Hi guys, today I unboxing Redmi 15 and that one is 5G and this one have battery 7000 mAh. This one processor is Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 with 5G. Now I show you the spec. Redmi 15 5G. The color is green, the RAM is 8 GB and the storage is 256 GB. Inside RAM 8 plus I think 6 or 8 plus 5. Total maybe 14 GB or 13 GB. See, it's brand new sealed. Now we start to unboxing this phone. Yeah, now we unboxing. Today our cameraman is our Anne. Our Anne, you know people?
For this customer.
Yeah, people. See guys. This is the phone. Okay, now we turn on the phone. Nice phone, huh? Ne?
Yeah, very nice.
This one nice, your one not nice.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
I upgrade first. X90?
Ah, X90 come.
Yeah.
But they didn't confirm the date X90.
Yeah,
which
it's
they
already.
come. Yeah. I saw the review, very nice. The
Yeah.
video I already saw. Nice phone.
Yeah, nice phone that one.
Yeah. Now I will activate this phone. Next. Next. Okay, agree. Next. Skip. Next. Skip. Skip. Next. Okay. I activate now. Done. So, now phone is done. Now, wait, huh? What we want, huh?
LCD iPhone 15. Fold on, fold on.
Hold on.
Why?
They preparing system.
Why got line, huh?
Real line. No. Ah, my phone.
Got line directly.
No. The line showing you the
Yellow, white, yellow, white.
Yellow one for the camera. For the camera result, if you put the line accurate, they show you good result.
Oh.
Good quality. Ah.
Then how? How to?
No problem. It's okay. Show him the charger. This is the charger. This is the cable. Okay. Now I show you cover also. This is the cover. This is the cover. Okay. So this one. Okay, I show you now spec. Setting. About phone. Okay. The storage is 256 GB. Okay, now here detail and spec. RAM 8 plus 4. Total is 12 GB RAM. This is the RAM.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then
Now. This is the battery. Charging option, standard. Battery protection, got it. Okay. Oh, here also have battery cycle option. It means how many time you charge, they will show you. The cycle will be count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. They will count. This one manufacturing date and this one first uses. Now battery health also in Redmi. See battery health.